Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this mini-series of 2 episodes, we are going to show you 10 ways how to have a happy marriage. So please make sure that you watch the other episode as well. We hope that we can help you on your way to become more confident and would love to see your subscription to our channel. So let's get it started. 10 tips for happy marriages. 1. Be honest with each other. Some people believe that the ideal strategy for a marriage is to make the other person happy. However, if you consistently give in to the other person's desires while brushing aside your own needs and goals, resentment will eventually fester within of you. Be honest with your spouse while making decisions, whether they are big ones like whether or not your husband should get a new job and move the two of you out of state, or little ones like where to eat dinner. 2. Communication is important in a healthy marriage. What does a married couple genuinely mean when they communicate? Don't they live together and communicate daily? Maybe, but in a happy and healthy marriage, communication must go beyond requests for things like, "Please pass the butter," and, "Can I have the sports section of the newspaper?" Since a marriage is between two people, both parties should be able to communicate their wishes and needs. 3. Variety is the spice of life, and no, I'm not just talking about in the bedroom, though variety in the bedroom is also crucial. For married couples, trying new activities together is healthy. It can get incredibly boring to repeat the same activities week after week or year after year. Furthermore, monotony is bad for a marriage. Find a new vacation spot every year to break up the same old routines and activities. At least once per month, try a new eatery. 4. Find interesting ways to show that you care. There are several methods to let your spouse know that you value them or that you are thinking of them. When you are both at work throughout the day, you may text or email them. This is especially crucial if your partner is experiencing a difficult day, week, or next key meeting. Before you leave for work, consider leaving a love note on their car or on the bathroom mirror. 5. Don't try to change your husband or wife. It has been claimed that many women choose their spouses with the intention of changing them once they are wed. A sensible lady would understand that it's best to accept her beloved man for who he is. Even if his wife continuously reminds him to pick up his filthy socks, if he consistently leaves them on the floor, nothing will change. Men typically believe their wives would love them for who they are and accept them for who they are after they are married. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a